Our candy bar fudge is made in 3 layers. We're using the microwave, and this fudge only takes about 10 minutes to make. You can use a 9x9 pan or an 11x7, which is what I'm using. So go ahead and line that and butter the bottom and set that aside. We start out with 1/2 cup of melted butter. So I have 1/3 cup of sifted unsweetened cocoa. Add 1/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar. And we add 1/4 cup of milk. And this should be room temperature. You can take the chill off of it by microwaving it for 10 or 15 seconds. Stir this until your sugar and your cocoa are dissolved and everything is smooth. Now we're going to put this mixture into the microwave for about 1.5 minutes on high until it starts to boil. So this came to a boil in about 60 seconds. Since every microwave is different, you're going to want to keep an eye on it. Microwave it for 60 seconds to 90 seconds and give it a good stir. We add 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Just keep folding this over, mashing that sugar in. It's nice and glassy. I like that. And now we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beautiful sheen. Now we're making a caramel and nut layer. And again, we're using the microwave. I'm using a measuring cup with 1 tablespoon of water. And I'm adding caramel bits. If you have the individually wrapped vanilla caramels, you need 30 of those. So I'm adding 1 1/3 cups of the caramel bits with my 1 tablespoon of water. Now this is going in the microwave on high for 2 to 2.5 minutes. That's our caramel after 60 seconds. Give it a good stir and back in the microwave for 60 more seconds. So that was about another 60 seconds. Now you need 2 cups of peanuts. Ever so gently. Try to lay this around. So spread this to the outside edges. I don't find a spatula is very handy. You can kind of move this around with just a little bit of pressure. So 1 more layer for our candy bar fudge, and that is all chocolate. You need 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips. We're gonna add our chips into a 2-cup measure, microwave it, and then pour it on the top as our final layer. And remember, glass and dry for chocolate. And remember my other tip, use some coconut oil that is solid at room temperature or some vegetable shortening. When we microwave chocolate, we use half power and we do it in bursts. So I'm going to do 30-second intervals at half power, stirring between each one until this is totally dissolved. After 2 30-second intervals, just starting to melt. So I just give it a stir to get some of that shortening in there. So this is after our 3rd shot in the microwave. Give it a good stir. No wooden spoons, please. 1 more 30-second shot ought to do it. That was 2 minutes in 30-second intervals at half power. And this looks good. This top layer is so easy to do. Our candy bar fudge is ready for the refrigerator. It needs to stay in the refrigerator 2.5 to 3 hours to fully set up. Once this is set up, all you have to do is lift this and cut it into squares. It makes about 2.5 pounds of fudge.